Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood for secure account access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Robinhood, www.robinhood.com. Press enter to navigate to the website. On the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your account password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password reset process. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. After clicking, wait for the page to load your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or SMS for this code. Enter the verification code in the prompt on the login page. Once entered, click Verify to proceed. You should now have secure access to your Robinhood account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.